Ever wondered why certain parts of the world have distinct cultures, traditions, and lifestyles? It's not by mere chance or coincidence. The answer lies in the fascinating field of human characteristics geography. This captivating branch of geography delves deep into the cultural, economic, and social aspects that shape our world. Human characteristics geography is like a giant jigsaw puzzle, piecing together the intricate web of human activities and their geographical distribution. It explores the reasons behind why we live the way we do, why we settle where we do, and why our societies function in certain ways. It's a study that takes us beyond the physical landscapes into the very heart of human societies, their behaviors, and their interactions with their environment. In essence, human characteristics geography is the lens through which we can view and understand the diverse tapestry of human life across our planet. In the next few minutes, we will delve into this exciting branch of geography and see how it shapes our world. Human characteristics. Geography is not just about locations, it's about the people and their activities. Let's delve into this fascinating field and understand the key aspects that shape it. The first aspect is population distribution, a study that looks at where people live and why they choose to live there. Factors such as climate, topography, and available resources play a critical role in this. For instance, people tend to settle in areas with fertile soil, favorable climate, and access to water bodies for sustenance and trade. Next, we have cultural traditions. These relate to the beliefs, customs, and social behaviors of people in a particular geographical area. These traditions are often shaped by the local environment and resources available. For example, coastal communities might have traditions rooted in fishing or seafaring, while mountainous regions might have traditions tied to forestry or hunting. Then, we have economic activities. Geography often influences the type of industries and occupations predominant in a region. Areas rich in minerals will likely have mining as a major economic activity, while regions with fertile land will lean towards agriculture. Cities, on the other hand, tend to thrive on trade, technology, and services due to their dense population and infrastructure. Lastly, there's urban development. This refers to the growth and expansion of cities and towns. The location of a city often determines its rate and direction of growth. For example, cities near water bodies often grow along the coast, while those in the plains may expand in all directions. The geographical features also influence the city's infrastructure, like the transportation and drainage systems. So you see, geography is not just about mapping the physical features of the Earth. It's about understanding how these features influence human activities and in turn, shape our societies and economies. It's a fascinating interplay between man and nature, each shaping the other in myriad ways. Now that we have a foundational understanding, it's time to explore a case study that brings these concepts to life. Japan, a country with a unique culture and a robust economy, offers a perfect example of how geography influences human activities. Located in the eastern part of Asia, Japan is an island nation that is both physically and culturally insular. Bounded by the Pacific Ocean, its geographical isolation has shaped its unique culture and traditions. As an island nation, Japan has developed a distinct cultural identity, largely untouched by external influences. This has led to the preservation of traditional arts, architecture, and practices that are unique to Japan, such as the tea ceremony, ikebana, and kabuki theater. The geography of Japan has also shaped its language. Being an island nation, Japan has developed its own language, which is different from its Asian neighbors. This distinct language has helped preserve Japan's cultural identity and has contributed to its uniqueness. But it's not just culture that's been influenced by Japan's geography. The country's economy too has been sculpted by its geographical features. Japan is a mountainous country with limited arable land. This lack of natural resources has compelled the nation to seek alternatives, pushing it to become a technological powerhouse. Japan's scarcity of resources has led to an economy that is largely import-based. The country imports raw materials, transforms them into high-quality products, and then exports them worldwide. This has not only made Japan one of the world's largest economies, but has also led to the development of some of the world's most innovative technologies. The country's geographic location has also made it prone to natural disasters such as earthquakes and tsunamis. This constant threat has forced Japan to develop advanced disaster management strategies and technologies, further bolstering its position as a technological leader. The geography of Japan has also influenced its transportation system. Given the country's mountainous terrain and the dense population of its cities, Japan has developed one of the world's most efficient public transportation systems, including an extensive network of bullet trains. The geographical location of Japan has also shaped its foreign policy and defense strategies. As an island nation, Japan has always prioritized maritime security. This has led to a strong naval presence and advanced maritime technologies. In conclusion, Japan's geographical features have profoundly shaped its culture and economy. Its insular nature has preserved a unique culture, while the scarcity of natural resources has spurred technological innovation and economic strength. The constant threat of natural disasters has led to advanced disaster management strategies, and the country's mountainous terrain has necessitated an efficient transportation system. As we can see, geography has a profound impact on the way societies evolve and function. The case of Japan is just one example. The influence of geography on human activities is a global phenomenon. Consider the vast continent of Africa. The Sahara Desert, the world's third largest desert, has for centuries shaped the lives of the people who live around it. This vast expanse of sand influences economic activities such as trade routes, where camel caravans have historically been the primary means of transport. The desert environment also shapes the culture and social structures of the communities living here, with a strong emphasis on nomadic and pastoralist lifestyles. Now let's shift our focus to the highlands of Peru in South America. Here, the geography has played a pivotal role in the cultivation of potatoes, a staple food that has shaped the economic and social fabric of the region. The high altitudes and cool temperatures of the Andes Mountains create an ideal environment for potato farming, leading to the development of a culture deeply intertwined with this humble tuber. Across the Atlantic, in the Netherlands, the geography tells another story. Much of the country lies below sea level, leading to the creation of a unique system of canals, dikes, and windmills. This unique landscape has influenced the country's economy, with a heavy focus on water management and engineering, and even the country's culture, with a strong emphasis on community and cooperation in the face of a shared environmental challenge. In each of these cases, the geography of the region has had profound implications for the economic activities, cultural practices, and social structures of the people living there. But it's not just about individual countries or regions. The principles of human characteristics geography apply on a global scale, influencing everything from international trade routes to global migration patterns, and from cultural exchanges to conflict and cooperation among nations. In essence, human characteristics geography offers us a lens to view and understand the world around us. It helps us see how our physical environment shapes our activities, our cultures, our societies, and ultimately our identities. Understanding human characteristics geography helps us appreciate the diversity and complexity of our world. In this brief journey, we've explored how geography shapes our world in profound ways. We've delved into the fascinating realm of human characteristics geography, a field that marries the physical landscape with the cultural, economic, and social aspects of human life. We began by introducing the concept of human characteristics geography, highlighting its role as a lens through which we understand the world. It's through this lens that we see how mountains, rivers, climate, and other geographical features influence where and how people live, their occupations, their traditions, and even their belief systems. As we navigated further, we dove into the heart of the subject, explaining how understanding human characteristics geography helps us appreciate the world's stunning diversity. Every city, every village, every corner of the globe is shaped by its geography, resulting in a rich tapestry of cultures and lifestyles. Our journey took us to Japan, a perfect case study demonstrating the impact of geography on a nation's culture and economy. We saw how Japan's mountainous terrain and island geography have influenced its unique culture, economic activities, and even its historical development. This case study served as a vivid illustration of how geography and human life are intricately connected. Then we broadened our perspective to consider the wider implications of human characteristics geography. We touched on how it helps us understand global issues like urbanization, migration, and economic disparities. It's a tool that helps us foresee the potential impacts of climate change, political decisions, and technological advancements on human societies. In essence, human characteristics geography is about connections. It's about understanding how the physical world and human society intersect, interact, and shape each other. It's a way of seeing the world that brings us closer to the heart of what makes us who we are as individuals, as communities, as nations, and as a species. Next time you travel or learn about a new place, remember to consider how geography has shaped its human characteristics. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions.